Hello and salam everyone. Today we'll make a smooth, creamy pumpkin soup together. For the full list of ingredients, check the description box, but the main thing is pick a nice sweet pumpkin. Mine was sitting in the pantry for a while, so it lost a bit of the taste. But we still went ahead and made some soup because it shouldn't go to waste. So I've got about 500 grams of pumpkin here, cut them into big chunks, put salt and pepper, drizzle some olive oil and put it in the oven to roast at 200 degrees. Then while the pumpkin is roasting, you'll take 2 tablespoons of regular vegetable oil, put 2 small onions or 1 large onion, a carrot, 1 potato, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 2 sticks of celery. Just cut these in big pieces and put them in. Don't worry about making it too small because we will be blending the mixture later on. So let it saute for a little bit. Once the onions start looking translucent, you can add half of 1 cube of chicken stock or vegetable stock if you want this to be vegetarian, and then add 3 cups of boiling water. Then just put this on medium heat, cover the lid and let it all cook. While that is cooking, your pumpkins should also be ready and nicely roasted. And once all the other vegetables are also soft, you can add in your pumpkin to this mix. Before blending it, we'll also add in some parsley. You can add in as much as you like, but don't overdo it. It does have quite a strong taste. I've added about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley in total. Then I'm just using a stick blender. You can also use any other blender you've got that you can put hot soups in, or otherwise let it cool down before blending it. So you will just blend this into a smooth soup and add in more water if it gets a bit too thick, which I have done here. And once the soup is ready, you can check for consistency again. Add in more boiling water to get the right consistency for you. Now that we've mixed in the pumpkin, which had some salt on it, we'll check for salt and add in more if we need to. And I've also added about half a teaspoon of paprika to this, and you can add chili if you want. I usually like this quite mild. Then I'm just adding about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of cream. You can skip this if you want. It's not necessary for the recipe, but I do like the creaminess this brings to the soup. And that's it. It's a super simple and easy recipe. Let it come to boil before serving it. Roasting the pumpkins really brings a nice flavor to the soup. And to serve it, put it in your favorite bowl, add in some cream on top and a little bit of parsley to make it look nice and pretty. But otherwise, this is it. Hope you guys like the recipe. Until the next video. Bye!